If you want to share your skills online and start teaching students around the world, I'll show you how to begin teaching on Udemy step by step. Start by opening the Udemy website in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, click the Teach on Udemy option, usually found in the top navigation menu. On the next page, click Get Started to begin the instructor setup process. Udemy will ask you to complete your instructor profile by adding your name, profile photo, and a short bio describing your expertise. After setting up your profile, click Create a Course. You'll be prompted to enter basic details such as your course title, category, and the topic you want to teach. Once the course shell is created, you can begin adding sections and lectures. Upload your video lessons, resources, and quizzes to structure the course. When everything is ready, review your course and submit it for review before publishing it to students. Now you know how to start teaching on Udemy and begin sharing your knowledge with learners online. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.